Are you thinking about buying an older home? Let's break down the pros, cons, and hidden opportunities that you need to know. Older homes are often located in established neighborhoods with mature trees, character, and a true sense of community. You'll find unique craftsmanship, things you just don't see in newer homes. Like solid true hardwood floors, handcrafted custom trim, architectural details, solid masonry. Many older homes are closer to downtown shopping and everyday amenities, saving time and adding convenience. Older homes can come with higher maintenance though. Repairs can pop up when you least expect them. Plumbing, electrical, and roofing may need updates, leading to unexpected repairs. Older homes offer amazing renovation potential. You can truly make it your own. Strategic updates can boost your home's value, building equity faster. Without upgrades, older homes may be less energy efficient with high utility bills. Updating insulation, windows, and HVAC systems can improve efficiency, saving you money. Wondering if an older home is right for you? DM Home now to 803-318-6412. Let's create your smart home buying strategy now. This is Rosalind Franklin with the RMF team at KW Preferred in Columbia, South Carolina. Please visit our website